this guy is my brother, who is the stupidest guy. Come. Yeah, that was Tahir's older brother, Talha. Because he's stupid. Leave him. So anyways, these guys are playing right here. These guys are playing left touch. Yes. Do you want to play? We'll show you how to play. I think you should go down, Tahir. Yes, thanks. Okay. I'm recording. So guys, they're playing a game. As of now, we're on ground floor. Whoa! Leaving us to take a record itself. Yeah. These students are annoying. This means stop. Allah, he's Allah. Okay, so as you can see, we are on ground floor. No, keep it very far. Where is taking them, Talha? As you can see, this thing here. No. Look, you know what is this? The shining thing. So some science teacher gave it to me because I speak in English. Yes, he was speaking English so much, so the teacher gave him a star, golden star. Yeah. And also this vlog totally failed because all the students are disturbing in the lab. Yeah. Like this stupid. Look there. Look, stupid brother. My brother is stupid. Look, stupid brother. This is the left side. If we test the left. Don't touch. Hey, why it turned black and white? Oh, it's normal again. So guys, I hope you like this video, and also comment whether I should leave the school or not, because the school is a terrible place. We started and everything.